In this tutorial, we will walk through the basic functionality of dashboards and widgets. So to create a new dashboard, we click on the menu button and press Add Dashboard. Specify a new dashboard name and press Create button. As a result, we are navigated to new dashboard with no widgets on it. So let's add some widgets. First of all, we press New Widget button, and here we have two options. The first one is to create a new widget using the predefined templates or choose from the list of existing widgets. First of all, let's create a new widget on the path rate template. We specify path rate template, press Next, and let's specify some additional parameters. First of all, let's change the period of time for reporting. Let's say I'm interested in last 30 days. Press Show More. And also let's specify platform equals to Android. As a result, you can see the preview on the right side. We press Next, specify the name of new widget and some description. After pressing Add button, new widget is created and it's automatically added to our dashboard. Let's also add some widgets from existing list, like this one and this one. You can see three widgets are added to our dashboard. Let's change the placement and resize some of them. So we're pressing widget placement button here. After that, we change the size, let's say like that. And to apply all the changes, we are pressing on Apply button and new placement is saved. You have some additional options with the dashboard and widget. First of all, you can send the whole dashboard by email, specifying the recipients list, the title and the body of email. And also you can send by mail appropriate widgets. For created widget, you are capable to change the settings by pressing menu and edit widget button. You can change some additional arguments. If it's required, you can change the name and description. To remove the widget from dashboard, you click in menu, remove from dashboard. You are also capable to edit the widgets, navigating to the widget wizard, to the list of existing widgets, and you can also remove completely the widget you've just created by pressing Delete button and closing the wizard. Also, you're capable to update the name of your dashboard. Let's say we press Edit, and new name will be Demo New with Save. And as a result, the dashboard name has changed, and you can open up the dashboard menu here and verify that new name is specified. In some cases, it's convenient to change the order of the dashboards in your menu. You just drag in and drop in it in appropriate position, and that's it. And finally, if you're going to remove the dashboard, you are clicking Edit and Delete button, and finally confirm the delete. And after that, you're automatically redirected to the general dashboard.